Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I have a little special one in my life that loves to play in the dark, loves to use flashlights, and so this VTech Spin and Learn flashlight, she's been really enjoying it for a long time. What's great about this flashlight is that it's easy to use. It has the off button and you can have two different features. You can switch it on to just the flashlight, and so whenever you use it, it will flash in different colors and the buttons are easy to push. Or you can switch it over to the activity section, which also has sounds in different colors.
Light the way, we're ready to explore.
So if you're looking for a little toy that's going to keep them entertained for hours, whether it's in the daytime or at night, or if they like to play in the dark, I highly recommend this little flashlight. It's been durable and it's held up, and she's really enjoyed it for a long time. And that is just my point of view.